I had a very hard understanding when I started learning Fusion, and I'm still learning Fusion. I consider myself a beginner because I am a beginner. I'm still in the process of mastering and learning Fusion and just overall Davinci Resolve. And you please add to this video in the comment section if you have something to add, or if there's something I'm saying that is wrong, just let me know in the comment section. What I was saying is, like, I had a hard time understanding what it means, this green and this yellow. So basically, if you hover over it, it's like this is the foreground and this is the background. Probably because I'm not a English native speaker and I didn't understand exactly what it means, foreground, or I understand the difference or what is the connection here, but then I learn it, which is the background, what is connected to the foreground. That thing is gonna be in front, which in this case we have this white, because this white, so this is the background, as you can see, and green is the foreground, right? And here, if you go and merge, this is the background. Yeah, this is the white. I just I wrote named this the wrong way. This is the white. This is the white, and this is back. If you put it here, this is the, and now you see here we have black and here we have white, right? And if you click on merge, white is above this black because we connected this white to the foreground. If we connect this to the background and this black, we connect the black to the background. Now this black is above this white because this is the foreground, and white is the background. And you can also, under a trick or method I learned, and it's very useful, you can also go Control-T, and you can switch or swap the inputs. You can also go here and click on swap inputs, and now white is foreground and yellow is background. So to summarize this, what's connected to the foreground is gonna be in front, above the thing that is behind, and what is the background is located in the back. As you can see here, white is connected to the foreground, is in front. White, black is in the back because it's connected to the background. Okay, I hope you learned something. I hope this helps you, because I would have this would have really helped me if someone created this video, because I didn't know what it meant, the meaning behind this, what it means, what is how it works, background and foreground. So I hope it's gonna help you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.